Here is the best way on how you can fix Valorant crashing on startup. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can fix this crashing issue. So yeah, first up, what you have to do is just head over to Riot Client Services. So I do not play Valorant, but I'll show you how you can do that. So you'll be able to see launch of I love Valorant. So I do have Epic Games Launcher over here. You'll be able to see Riot Launcher. So you just gotta go ahead and press on that and open its file location. Once you open it up, it will bring you to its own tab, like file, and it will say Lion Riot Client Services. So for example, I'm gonna use this Epic Games Launcher as it. So once you head over to Riot Client Services, just you gotta press right click on it, and over here you have to press on properties. So once you do that, it will show you this, but you just gotta go ahead and press on compatibility. And over here you have to make sure that your compatibility mode is on run this program in compatibility mode for whatever your Windows is. So I'm using Windows 10, so just tick on that, and then Windows. If you're like on Windows 10 or above, Windows it is actually good. You just gotta do that and press apply after that, and you're good to go. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.